Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will continue our learning on retrograde condensate modeling using PVTP software, a very interesting and powerful software for fluid modeling. All right, and as you can see, we can achieve, good matching for the CCE. Now we are going to continue with validating the constant volume depletion test. Okay, so once again, we will check or we will validate the result from the CVD, constant volume depletion. Okay, I'm still opening this sample window. Now let's go to constant volume depletion. So in constant volume depletion, we have liquid dropout and also Z factor. So as I said before, we actually didn't include the CVD test for the regression. But still, we are interested in checking or validating the regression result with the lab data of CVD, right? So although we do not use this data, this CVD data for regression process, but that doesn't mean that we do not want to validate the regression result on the CVD data. Okay, we still need to validate. If we get poor matching for the CVD test, then maybe we want to perform another regression run to achieve a good match for everything for the separator test and CCE, and then saturation pressure, and of course on CVD as well. Okay, so let's close this CCE. Now let's go to CVD. Results plot. And there you go. You can see that the liquid dropout is very, very, very good. The matching for the liquid dropout is very good. All right. So although the pseudo properties fluid model failed in matching the exact value of the lab data of CVD for the liquid dropout, but after regression, although we didn't include the liquid dropout data from CVD on the regression process, we can still reproduce a liquid dropout, a predicted liquid dropout that is very close with the lab data. All right, so that's for the liquid dropout. And of course, lastly, let's check the Z factor. There you go. Very, 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 very good. All right, we can reproduce the trend and we can closely match the Z factor in favor phase for the CVD. All right, that's it. In conclusion, our fluid model after regression can reproduce all the lab experiments satisfactorily. Okay, it gives satisfactory matching for the phase envelope or saturation pressure, good match. Also the separator result for the GOR there, and then for the density, it gives good Hoffman plot, and also the CCE, liquid dropout saturation pressure value or volume, and then relative volume in the Z factor for vapor phase. And lastly, for the CVD, very good in liquid dropout and also good for the Z factor for vapor phase or gaseous phase. All right, so in conclusion, our equation of state model, our fluid model after regression can now reproduce all the lab experiments satisfactorily. So actually we can conclude, we can close this entire series, but maybe we need one last video. I'm going to do it the next video where we will summarize all the characterization process for this retrograde condensate. All right, so until then, see you and thank you.